Hey fam, Lamasbella here. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I get like really stuffy, and I'm sorry if you guys get like grossed out by people that are sick, but unfortunately I got sick this weekend. I couldn't even tell you how it happened. I live in Tampa, Florida, and it got kind of cold out of nowhere. Anyway, all of what I just said is besides the point of this video, because today we are going to be unboxing and testing the brand new Kylie Cosmetics 2019 holiday collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to be trying and unboxing and seeing these products for the very first time and sharing my reaction with all of you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair flow when the wind blows. Even if the money been slow, hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me.
So Kylie Cosmetics launched their 2019 holiday collection last Tuesday, November 19th, and I just got my order in yesterday. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I was able to grab before everything had sold out. You'll also see in this video that I did purchase a lot of lip products, so as of right now, I do not have anything on my lips, which is why I probably look a little bit crazy. But we're just going to get into all of that, and we're going to jump right in. Okay, so here is the lovely box that it came in. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Oh my god, I always tell myself that I need to grab scissors and I never grab scissors. Okay you guys, I was gonna open this box like a savage, but then I realized I can't really open it like a savage, so I grabbed my scissors. But we're just gonna open her up. I swear the tape that they use, this is actually probably not safe at all. Okay, so here we go, you guys. Okay, so here's the little Kylie name. You guys can see she has some filler there and has my order here, and it has a cute little flyer with some words on it. Thank you for celebrating the 4th annual holiday collection with me. I hope you have a safe and happy holiday season filled with love. Always, Kylie Jenner. Okay, and here are the products that I purchased. Look at these, they're so cute. They can like, you put them on your Christmas tree. Okay, so let's start opening these products up because I already know which ones I want to test first and try on. Okay, so the first product that I bought was the Good at Being Naughty Shimmer Eye Glaze. This is a shimmering eye product. Excuse my nail, you guys, because my dog just like, my dog tugged at the leash and it just ripped my nail out. So here she is. This is a shimmering eye glaze. This is in the shade Good at Being Naughty. This little punch thing. Open it up right here. Oh, look how cute. So I will be testing this product and putting it on my lid. So the next thing that I bought, this is so cute, is her matte lipstick. This is in the shade Mary Jo. I actually bought 2 of them, but this one is in that shade Mary Jo. So it comes like this and then it pops right out. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Love the packaging. This is really cute. It's a nice deep red. You can never go wrong with a deep red, especially for the holidays. The next matte lipstick that I got is called Coming to Town. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up and see what shade she looks like. So excited for this one. I love a nude lip, and if I can find a shade that has like the perfect nude, I will be set for the rest of my life. I'm so excited to try this one on. I'm sorry you guys, I meant to include the price points for each product as I unbox them. So for the Good at Being Naughty Shimmer Eye Glaze, this retails for $20 on her Kylie Cosmetics website. And then for the matte lipsticks, they retail for $17 each on the website. So the next piece that I bought in the collection is the Holiday Mini 6-piece set. I love mini liquid lipsticks because they're so great for like travel size. Love the packaging. It's really, really cute to unbox. Love all of the shades here. So this product retails for $36, and I'm going to be doing some swatches on every single one of these shades. And the last thing that I purchased from this collection is the Holiday High Gloss Trio set. Let me tell you, you can never go wrong with buying glosses. Glosses just, oh my god, makes your lips look more inviting and like seductive. I love it. So this trio offers 3 different gloss shades. If you look at the amount of product that you're getting in one of these. It's quite a bit, and this retails for $36 on the Kylie Cosmetics website. Okay, so I'm ready to start testing and swatching these products on my skin tone. We're gonna start off with the Shimmer Eye Glaze. This is the shade Good at Being Naughty. I went ahead and prepped my eye and put a nice red base to it so this can blend really super easily. Okay guys, so it's really hard to get like my finger in there because of my nails, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to just press it in there. Let me see. Oh, my nails are so gross. And look how much product I get. I'm going to start off by dipping my finger in it and then just using a brush to kind of like brush it out and even it out. The formula of this product is so creamy. The way I'm able to blend it so seamlessly and like effortless, I love it. It gives such a nice blend. Like I barely even need to use the brush. So I am living for this Shimmer Eye Glaze. It was just, the formula was so buttery and it was just, oh my god, it just kind of spread on the lid. So seamless and effortless. Like I said, I love this product. It's great for the holidays, just brings out such a vibrant like red tone to the eyes. Like you can't forget this look. So let me know what you think about this product. Again, this was the Good at Being Naughty Shimmer Eye Glaze, and it retails for $20 on the Kylie Cosmetics website. The next products that we're going to be testing are the matte lipsticks. So I got two of these. I got them in the shades Mary Jo, which is more of a red toned lipstick, and then I got the shades Coming to Town, which is that nude lip shade, which is basically my go-to. I love nudes. So we're gonna go ahead and start testing these out. The first one that we're gonna try out is the Coming to Town. So this is a really cute shade. It kind of has like a peach undertone to it. The matte didn't dry as mattifying as I wanted it to, but I mean that's just my personal preference. I do like it, but it's kind of clashing with my red eyeshadow a little bit. I think if I was wearing like more of a bronzer look, this would be a perfect shade for it. Otherwise, I love the formula. It went on pretty smoothly. Not extremely buttery, but it's a really good formula. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the shade Mary Jo. Like I said, this is a very deep red lipstick, so it's definitely out of my comfort zone. I really think it's going to help bring my look entirely like together, only because it's going to match my shadow. So let's see if we like this. Okay, you guys, so this lip shade is so ridiculously out there. Like, oh my, I think I just need some like getting used to it because I never wear a shade like this. I never really stick to any like red tones, but hey, if you are someone that can rock a red lip, I'm not a person like that, but if you can, I would definitely recommend this product because it was so easy to apply, really buttery, nice and creamy, and yeah, she really did master this formula. Otherwise, yeah, those were the two matte lipsticks that I purchased from her 2019 holiday collection. These retail for $17 on the Kylie Cosmetics website, and now we'll dive into our next products. The next product that we're diving into is the Mini Lip Collection. Now this retails for $36 on the Kylie Cosmetics website, and it comes with 6 different shades. So the shade names are Snowman Season, Team Santa, Rosy Cheeks, Santa's Real, Kylie Claus, and Keep the Receipt. So without even swatching, just looking at the shades in the box, I'm really liking the first shade, which I think is called Snowman Season, and the second one, which is called Team Santa. I really like these. There's this last one here. I think this is called the Keep the Receipt. Oh my gosh, it's extremely like red. It almost looks like an orangey kind of red. Not sure if I want to swatch that on my lips. It's a little crazy, but I'm going to do some quick swatches on my arm. Of course, I'm going to bring you guys along with me, and you let me know which shade you like best. So I'm opening them up. They kind of smell like vanilla. Like, I don't know if you guys ever were into those like lip smackers back in like middle school and high school. They kind of smell like that, the vanilla flavored one. They smell really good. Okay, you guys, I'm going to do some quick swatches on my arms here. So this is in the shade Snowman Season. This is the shade Team Santa. This is the shade Rosy Cheeks. This is the shade Santa's Real. This is the shade Kylie Claus. And then finally, this is the shade Keep the Receipt. So I want to say my favorite shade from the mini lip collection is Team Santa. That's this shade right here. I like the other shades. I really, really loved, what's that shade color? Kylie Claws. It was so cute. This is perfect for if you want like a tint on your lips as well as a gloss kind of look. I really, really, really like this one. The reason I'm not choosing that color now is because I do want to apply a high gloss over whatever shade that I apply for this look, and I think that Team Santa is the winner. And there we are. I think this shade is perfect for the look that I'm going for. Now, if you love a nice, loud, vibrant, red, orangey undertone lip color, this one is just for you. This one is a shade Keep the Receipt. Oh my gosh, this one is crazy red, like insanely red. So yeah, let me know which shade was your favorite from the 2019 Holiday Mini Lip Collection. This specific lip set retails for $36 on the Kylie Cosmetics website. So the last product that I got from this collection was the High Gloss Lip Set collection. You can never go wrong with lip glosses. Lip glosses just make your lips look more like voluptuous and rich and just so inviting. I love, love, love them. Anything that like shines, glitters, highlighters, like highlights, anything like that, anything that's going to be like beaming and glossy and glowing, I'm here for. So I went ahead and had to pick up this product. So this High Gloss collection comes with 3 different glosses, and the shades are Wish Come True, Must Be Magic, and Ho Ho Ho. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change my angles and do a quick swatch for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch the highlighters on this hand. This is the shade Wish Come True. The next shade is called Must Be Magic. And finally, the last shade is called Ho Ho Ho. As you've seen on the swatches, the Ho 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 one is really transparent. It just kind of adds a gloss, but the Wish Come True, I think, or Must Be Magic, sorry, the Must Be Magic one is really, it has like a really nice pink undertone tint to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that one on the lips, which is over Team Santa. So these glosses have like the same scent as the matte liquid lipsticks. It has like that vanilla scent to it. It smells so good. So what do you guys think? I love, love, love this combo. I think this looks great. I think I'm ready for the holidays. I think I'm ready for Christmas with the family. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and popped on some of my Bella G lashes just to finish this entire look and bring it all together. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. Let me know what you think about every product that we unboxed and tested on the skin. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to drop your questions, comments, anything you want down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Kylie Cosmetics 2019 holiday collection. Do you love it? Do you hate it? What products did you cop? Did you cop this drop? As always, I'll try to be as informative as I can be down in the description. Now, if you're wondering what lashes I'm wearing, they are my Bella G lashes. These are some that I'm sampling, so they're not out yet, but they will be out very, very soon. Feel free to follow Bella G Lashes on all of our social media platforms. I'll be sure to drop down all of those handles down in the description. And also feel free to follow me, Lamasbella, so you can consume all of my wonderful content. I'll also be sure to leave all of my platforms down below. Last but not least, I just want to send you guys so much love. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you're here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really don't know why. You need to hit that subscribe button right now on your way out. But yeah, that's really all I have for you guys. I'm done for real this time. I don't like to drag my outros like I don't like to drag my intros. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.